In the heart of Odisha, at the top the serene Kumari Hills, a legend whispers through the wind, carried by the echoes of temple bells. This is the story of Ma Tara Tarini, one of the most ancient and revered Shakti Peethas in India, a place where divinity, history, and myth converge. Long ago, when the universe trembled under the wrath of Lord Shiva, it was the sacrifice of goddess Sati that shook the heavens. In grief, Shiva performed the terrifying Tandav, threatening to destroy the cosmos. To save the world, Lord Vishnu used his Sudarshan Chakra to dismember Sati's lifeless body. Her sacred parts fell across the land, giving birth to the Shakti Peethas, powerful centers of divine feminine energy. It is said that Sati's breasts fell upon these Kumari hills, marking the site of what we now call the Ma Tara Tarini temple. For centuries, the twin goddesses Tara and Tarini have watched over the land, their presence deeply rooted in Odisha's traditions. Their temple, standing high above the Rishikulya river, is a testament to unwavering devotion. Pilgrims arrive from far and wide, climbing 999 sacred steps, each one a step closer to divine blessings. Some take the winding road, while others choose the modern ropeway, their eyes fixed on the hilltop shrine, where faith and history merge. Beyond mythology, history has also left its mark here. When Emperor Ashoka conquered Kalinga, he found not just warriors, but a thriving Buddhist culture. The Jogada Rock Edict, just 4 kilometers from this temple, stands as a silent witness to the region's past. But the story does not end there. The Sadhavas, Odisha's ancient maritime traders, once set sail from the shores of Rishikulya, venturing into the unknown. Before their perilous journeys, they would pray at this temple, seeking the goddess's blessings for safe passage across the seas. Some say, even today, if you listen closely to the river's whispers, you can hear the echoes of their prayers. Every year, as spring arrives, the hills come alive with devotion. The Chaitra Mela, held in March and April, draws thousands of devotees, transforming the temple into a sea of faith and festivity. Tuesdays are especially sacred, and families bring their infants here for the Mundan, believing that the goddesses bestow health and prosperity upon their children. As dawn breaks, the first rays of sunlight bathe the temple in gold. The sound of conches and temple bells fills the air. Pilgrims, young and old, climb with unwavering faith, some seeking divine blessings, others searching for inner peace. And as they stand before Tara and Tarini, they realize something profound. This temple is more than a place of worship. It is a bridge between the past and the present, between myth and reality, between the earthly and the divine. For centuries, the goddesses have remained, watching over their land, their people, and the ever-flowing Rishikulya. And they will continue to do so, for as long as faith endures.
Thanks for watching the video on Mythical Realm. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.